Time to take another look outside. David, that sun has come up and temperatures are on the rise.
Yeah, we're going to see a warm up today and some of that sunshine finally. We had cloudy skies yesterday, cold conditions, but beautiful sky here this morning with the sun poking through the clouds. Some great color out there to start the day. A little bit on the breezy side here for the second half of your Sunday, but temperatures climbing into the 40s, about 10 degrees above average for the second half of December. We'll certainly take that. Some colder temperatures do move in for Monday and Tuesday, but nothing really frigid. We stay warmer than we have been for the past several days. By the end of the week, more clouds rolling in, and we could even have some rain showers by the end of the week. Yes, rain, not snow. Unfortunately, probably not looking at a white Christmas this year for most of the state. We do have some clouds out there this morning, but enough breaks in those clouds that we're seeing that sun poking through right now, and we'll have sunshine on and off throughout the day as those clouds continue to stream on through our skies. South winds already increasing this morning. We're seeing some gusts up to around 20 miles an hour right now. Later today, gusts up to about 30 miles an hour as the storm system here in Montana continues to push to the east into the Dakotas. That helps to pump the warm air in for the afternoon hours. Unfortunately, not looking at 60s like western Nebraska, Kansas, and Colorado today, but a little bit of a warm up over yesterday. Then tomorrow we'll keep our eye on that cold front bringing us our next round of some colder air. Live look at Seven Oaks. The lift's not yet running, but the snow still on the ground, not melting. They've been making that snow here over the past several weeks. Some Mother Nature snow on the ground there in Algona. I have a feeling that will start to melt later today as temperatures do begin to climb. There's that sunshine right now poking through the clouds. Temperatures on the cold side, though, most of us in the 20s around the metro. 24 here in Des Moines is 26 now in Altoona, 23 in Ames, 24 in Norwalk. Decorah, the cold spot, sitting at 19, 27 though in Atlantic. With that south breeze, wind chills in the teens. Feels like 16 in Atlantic, feels like 12 here in Des Moines, 12 in Ames, and 12 in Iowa Falls. That south breeze 10 to 15 miles an hour right now. Throughout the morning, gusts into the 20s, and by this afternoon, we could see some wind gusts up to about 30 miles an hour. So just be ready for that if you're going to be spending time outdoors. Just heading out to the car, though, I think you're going to be fine. There's the clouds rolling on through this morning. We'll see some sunshine as those south breezes kick in and bring in the mild air. Highs about 44 degrees. There's our cold front moving through tomorrow. Maybe a sprinkle or a flurry, especially across northern Iowa as that system jets on by. We see some colder air pushing into northern Iowa tomorrow afternoon. I think we get up to about 42 here in Des Moines, but everybody feels the cooler air and more cloud cover heading into Tuesday. Our highs fall back to about 37 degrees. So most of us in the 40s here today, maybe pushing toward 50 across southwest Iowa. So yeah, nice and warm compared to yesterday at least. 42 tomorrow, 37 on Tuesday. The clouds thickening up. Cloudy and cool for Christmas Day with a high of 40. And then we're watching a couple of the storm systems for the end of the week. Likely bringing some rain Thursday into Friday and then Friday night into Saturday.